The desert wind whispers secrets through the papyrus reeds, carrying the scent of baking sand and the distant promise of a coming storm. I stand at the balcony of the great royal house, the weight of 1,000 expectations pressing down on my slender frame. Nefertiti, they call me, the beautiful one who came. But beauty is a fickle thing, a fleeting bloom in the harsh embrace of eternity. Life in Akhenaten, the horizon of the Aten, is a tapestry woven with unfamiliar threads. The air hums with the pharaoh's radical vision, a single sun god. Aten replacing the pantheon that has held sway for millennia. Akhenaten, my husband, the sun disk himself, burns with a fervent devotion that borders on madness. It is his zeal that brought me here, a young noblewoman plucked from the familiar embrace of Ahmem, to be his queen, his co-regent in this revolution. The people whisper discontent. Priests of Amun, the powerful god of Thebes, stir rebellion in the shadows. I walk a tightrope, balancing between Akhenaten's all-consuming faith and the ancient beliefs etched into the very soul of Egypt. I learn the language of diplomacy, my words carefully chosen pearls cast upon the turbulent sea of dissent. One scorching afternoon, a delegation from Thebes arrives, their faces etched with worry. They plead for the return of the old ways, for the gods who have sustained Egypt for generations. Akhenaten, his eyes blazing with righteous fury, is on the verge of an outburst. I step forward, my voice a soothing balm. I paint a picture of a united Egypt, bathed in the light of the Aten, yet respecting the whispers of the old gods. Thebans leave, a flicker of hope in their eyes. Later, alone with Akhenaten, the storm within him abates. He looks at me with an intensity that makes my heart skip a beat. Nefertiti, he murmurs, you are the bridge between worlds, the sun's gentle caress upon restless waters. But the bridge is narrow, and the waters below are treacherous. There are nights when doubt gnaws at me. Am I a pawn in Akhenaten's grand game? Or can I truly be the voice of reason, the embodiment of a new kind of pharaonic rule, where power and compassion intertwine? As the crimson sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of defiance, I know this is a path I must forge myself. The legacy of Nefertiti, the beautiful one who came, will be written not just in the elegance of her sculpted form, but in the resilience of her spirit. In her fight to hold together a kingdom teetering on the edge of change.